Hi guys, it's your girl Zohara and welcome back to my channel. Kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell and getting right into it. So today I'll be trying out this Natnudo smoked chicken. Okay, so I don't really know much about it. I just know it's a smoked already made chicken. We need to know if this is actually worth it or if it's even good at all. With all the preservative, you're always finding some of all this already made food. So we're just going to go right into cutting that thing. Cut it, girl. Okay, now we're going to do as they ask. So guys, I got it out. Smoked chicken wings ready to eat already. That's what it says, like ready to eat. So we're gonna stick it in the oven just like it says over here. And this is everything. I'm gonna put this in the microwave. I don't even know for how long. So guys, it's out of the microwave right now and I'm gonna take it with this and my bottled water. Okay, now if this doesn't taste good, I bought this just in case it's a mess so I can have something nice for breakfast. Oh my god. This is so much better than I expected. Like, I'm speechless. I didn't think I'm going to be this kind. Oh, this is now. Yes. This is. It's spicy, it's smoky. Do you know this smoky chicken, when you smoke chicken, and that spicy man that comes with it? I swear to God. All this is actually really quite affordable. Just 1,100 now. You don't have to stress yourself. You don't have to go around cooking. Okay. I love it. Very happy because this Natnudo chicken is. I mean, it was not what I expected at all. I didn't expect it to be that nice. Seriously, I didn't expect it to be this nice. Please, you guys need to try this one. You trust me. I don't come with fake shit, you know. So Natnudo's chicken, like I love it. Oh my god. So hurry up, and this is my second water because it's spicy. It is spicy. And it's not expensive. It's very affordable. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Bye.